my life, it's whatever. It's my life, it's whatever. It's my life, it's whatever. It's my life, it's whatever. And all the things they say, I'm just gonna do everything my way, because I know it's my life, it's whatever. It's my life, it's whatever. Can't complain, life has been decent. All my electronics are somewhat recent. Not a lot of pocket change, but I had what I needed. Couldn't go outside, so I was always in reading. Parents both worked full time so we could keep eating. Me and bro were bad, so we got a few beatings. It was in my best interest to be disciplined, cause these days you get paid based on speaking skills and listening. People judge you based on what they don't know. Think they better than you cause they rich and you got no dough. Well, they call it class warfare, more like the underprivileged against the ones who don't care. If you want the tip top, you should wanna share. Some doing double overtime when you sit in the chair. Being a stingy old man that ain't noble, about to sprint to the top and take over, no T-Mobile. It's my life, it's whatever. 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 And all the things they say, I'm just gonna do everything my way, because I know it's my life, it's whatever. It's my life, it's whatever. Not many people like to tell someone what's best for them, while others talk behind their back instead of step to them. 90% of the time they don't want you to succeed. Instead of calling an ambulance, pick your pockets while you bleed. Humans are like vultures, feed off remains. Do almost anything to reap financial gains. It's all such a shame, someone to ruin your life and they don't even know your name. In my eyes you gotta get what's yours, but I won't take it away from anybody who worked hard for it. Here all the time, it's a doggy-dog environment. This is ridiculous, man, I'm just so sick and tired of it. Folks wanna stab their friends in the back, that ain't just. Sleep with one eye open cause there's no one you can't trust. No more love in the world, there's just lust. Kids' dreams ain't being encouraged, they just crushed. But it's my life, it's whatever. 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 And all the things they say, I'm just gonna do everything my way, because I know it's my life, it's whatever. It's my life, it's whatever. To everybody in a tough spot, good things come to those who try to take the tough shot. Greater the risk, greater the benefit. Long as you prevail, how you got there is irrelevant. Always have someone who supports you through the good and the bad. Smiles when you're happy and cuddles you when you're sad. Just about everyone else you meet will be a fair weather. If they could, they would skin you and sell your bare leather. Some gon' wanna see your soul rot, others gon' try to run you like a robot. Living your life for others, it'll haunt you, so better live the way you want to. It's my life, it's whatever. 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 And all the things they say, I'm just gonna do everything my way, because I know it's my life, it's whatever. 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 And all the things they say, I'm just gonna do everything my way, because I know it's my life, it's whatever.